beautiful friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is just a short one. It is a first impressions of the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pen, as you can see right there. I just got this today and I figured I would just put on my camera and then we can sort of try it together. I think that's all we need for an intro. If you have tried this product, I would love to know what you think about it. Also, if you want to see how I did these halfway successful brows today and what I think about the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pen, then just keep on watching. Alright, so as you can tell, I have nothing on my brows. I do laminate my brows every now and again, so that's why they're kind of like poking up a little bit. But here I have the product. I have it in soft brown. It's the shade I usually get. I'm going to just open it and start. There we go. So it's this cute little pen right here. I guess I'm just going to, there we go, open it. The tip looks really sharp. That's really good. I'm just gonna test it on my hand. The shade looks really good. It feels a little bit watery. So I really like to make these pretend brows on my hand just to see how it works before I go in on my actual brow. As you can see, the hairs aren't super sharp. I don't know if I will be able to get a fine enough point with this as I want, but I'm going to just test it on my brows and then we will see. Okay, so I'm trying to, I kind of feel like I want to draw down, but that doesn't, like, I prefer to go from the bottom and up, so I'm gonna try to do that. Hopefully you can still see. See, I feel like it's making them a little bit too thick. So my brows are kind of quite a little wild at the moment. I'm trying to grow them out, so I haven't really made a very clean line under here because this one is thicker than this one. I just want them to grow as much as they can before I go in and try to shape them too much. I kind of feel like it comes out a little bit watery, so I'm gonna try to, I just feel like it's not super easy to use. Like the color wants to come out a little bit not even, but this could totally be user error. It does seem it glides on very easy, and I mean, it was really quick to fill in this brow, but I did my good brow first, so I'm gonna move on to this one. Because as you can tell, it is looking quite sad. So I am just brushing this brow up. That's how I prefer to get that lifted look. I'm gonna go in again, try to make sure you can actually see. So I'm sort of just trying to line a little bit upwards. Oh, see? I don't do that. I feel like if you rest your hand on your face while doing this, it's easier to get sort of that hair-like stroke and that you don't get like the huge weird ones. Whereas now my hand is just up in air and nothing is supporting it. Like if you have a lot of hair already, it's very easy to sort of fill in because it doesn't become that apparent if the strokes aren't super thin. That actually feels a little bit easier. I can't really see what I'm doing. But I feel like it's easier if I can support my hand somewhere on my face. It's just easier to control what you're doing. Also, finally, I want to sort of try to get a very sharp edge on my brows because now I've just kept them a little bit fluffy. So I'm gonna brush them down first. This is looking terrible. Can you even believe I've spent so much time on them already? And I just want to fill them in at the top and just get that line if I can. Which, I'll be honest, it seems fairly easy to get a very sharp line with this. It's looking better already, right? So I'm gonna try to do that underneath as well. I'm just going sort of like here and out, so I still keep the front sort of soft. I wouldn't want to spend this much time and product every single day. So just for comparison, as you can see, this brow right here is a little bit more sharp because I just went in and basically just drew the lines where I wanted the brow to sort of begin and end. And it feels like it's going to be really easy to get a nice sharp tail as well. And then you see on this side, it's a lot more soft, and I've just tried to only draw in extra hairs, which I like having the option of doing both. It really depends on the day what I prefer to go with. Now they're looking a little bit uneven, obviously, so I'm gonna brush this one out and down just to get them to match a little bit. I think maybe I just need to play around with how I do this. I wish it was kind of like, I don't know, just leaned a little bit more of a soft tip. I do quite like it just for going in and softening up the inner corner of my brow, but I feel like it's a little bit easy to go overboard, which is a me problem. So my initial thoughts are, I do quite like this product. I'm happy I bought it. I don't love my brows now though. They're not bad. I just think that, if I'm being honest, I probably played too much with them. I probably applied way too much product, first going up, then to the side, down. It's just, yeah, I probably think it is my fault, and I do quite like it. I think it is, with just a little bit of practice, I feel like this is going to be such an easy product to use and very fast. Now I only have to sort of look at how long it lasts on the brow and also on the tube, because if this is a product that I go through like in a couple of weeks, that's just, I'm not gonna repurchase it. But I wish I liked my brows a little bit more. But again, I really don't think that is the fault of the product. I'm happy with it overall. I will keep using it and see how I get on with it. If you have used this product, I know it is fairly new, then I would love to hear what you think of it, and also if you have any tips for using this, because I haven't looked up anything. I just got the product and went straight in. So if you have any tips or tricks or anything to say about this product, please let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!